Third graders, today your goal is to write a note of appreciation. This is a Mother's Day project. This will look a lot like the opinion writing you did. Instead of writing your opinion, you're writing reasons and examples why you appreciate your mom. So again, your goal is to plan, draft, and publish. And you can see examples of what I published for my mother. First step, plan. What do you appreciate about your mom? Jot down reasons and examples. You see here in the middle, instead of my opinion, I have I appreciate my mom. Reason number one, providing us with special treats. For example, mailing guavas and homemade buns. These are examples of special treats. Reason number two, helping take care of my kids. Examples of when my mom helps me take care of my kids is when we have to go to work or when we go to visit in Los Angeles. They take care of my kids. My mom does. Another reason I appreciate my mom is that she shows me how to show kindness. That's the reason, kindness. An example is that she helps her family in Taiwan anytime you need it. Start with a plan. This is very, very helpful. Plan with reasons and examples for why you appreciate your mom. Once you have this plan, keep going with the video. Pause here and make a plan just like the one on the screen. Pause. Now that you have a plan, you're ready to draft. Use your plan and write a note or a poem. Here you see examples of my draft. I've drafted a note and I've drafted a poem. But what's really important here is that you use your plan. So here's my plan again, my reasons and examples. You can see I took reason number one, providing us with special treats, mailing guavas and homemade buns, and wrote it here. First, you always provide my family with special treats. For example, you and dad mail us guavas. You also made buns for us. This is reason number one. Before that, you'll see I have an intro. Dear Mom, on this Mother's Day, I want to tell you why I appreciate you. Reason number one. Second, reason number two for my plan. You help take care of my kids. You and dad come over when Jeff and I need to work and take care of Nora and Eliza. You also take care of them when we visit you in Los Angeles. I took my plan, put it into my draft. Reason number three, showing kindness. So here is finally, you show me how to be kind. You help anyone in the family when they need it. Conclusion, thank you for being a great mom. I appreciate you. So I restate my opinion. Thank you for being a great mom. And I say, my final thought is I appreciate you. So you can take your plan and make it into a note, or maybe you want to write a poem. So I took the same plan, the reasons and examples, and I made it into a poem. This might sound familiar. Draft, Mom by Elsa Chen. I appreciate you. Special treats you provide, like guavas and buns you make. Thank you. I appreciate you, Mom. You are a super caretaker, Eliza and Nora. You care for them. You care for them here and in LA. Thank you. I appreciate you. You show kindness. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for being my mom. You will notice I took the same reasons and examples and made them into a free verse poem. You can do either a poem or a note. Grab your plan, pause the video, and draft a note or a poem on a blank sheet of paper in your notebook. Go, go, go. Take your plan, take each reason example, and put it in your draft. Pause this video until you're done with your draft. Pause. Now that you have your draft, your next goal is to publish. Type or rewrite so your note is beautiful. Mothers work so hard. Please take extra effort to make your note beautiful. I decided to publish a note. So I took my draft and I typed it. So I took my draft and I typed my published note. You can type it and print it out if you have a printer, or if you don't, get a nice sheet of paper and rewrite it so it looks beautiful. Once you have your published note or published poem, you are ready to make a Mother's Day card. Congratulations, you've completed your goal of plan, drafting, and publishing a note of appreciation for your mom on Monday. You are going to move on to turning this into a card.